Check it out, we're in San Francisco, California. The water went way up. Look at that. There's steps under that big wall that go way down. This water went way up. This has never been like this. I have never seen it like this. This is pretty weird. This is strange. Wow. Where did all this dirt come from? Wow, I can't believe it. Water is getting really rough these days. Wow, half of the spray paint's even covered, which has never been like that. Yep. Stuff's happening, man. Climate change, I don't know. The world's always changing. That is pretty amazing. I used to be a high step there. Yep, here in San Francisco, California. Beautiful spot, guys. Ocean Beach. Got some fat crows, look at them. Big crows. Alright, I'm gonna end this one right here. Thank you guys for joining. Peace.